Ngayon pa kagabihin, Kabilin! Po, magandang gabi po. Sabayan niyo po ako sa napakagandang awiting ito. Here we go! Two old friends meet again, wearing the faces, talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. Holidays are long, someday they meet again. Have a need for more than what I say. Baby, this time it'll be love and they'll fight. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's looking his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't it's the one they had way back when they were too young to know love is real. But somehow some things have changed, and even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before. You gotta love the chance, and if things are sick, maybe maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when. Alright. Now, hello, 5 pa po? Grabe naman yung 5 pa po. Pero pwede din po ba ako manghingi ng tulong kasi sabi ni Sir, 5 pa yung nakantahin ko. Hihingi po ako ng kaunting tulong kasi medyo mahaba itong next kong set of songs. Lalapitan ko po kayo, Sir, ah? Alright. For sure, alam na alam itong next set of songs na inihanda ko para sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-welcome po sa akin, sa aming mga artists. Happy Fiesta, everyone. Here we go! Sino po ba dito mga fans ng Air Supply? Good! sige. Sabay niyo po ako ha. Diyan, pupunta po tayo sa likod, dito sa gilid. Dito po. Let's sing. When you say, I was the things you do, I just wanna get back close and marry to you. For now, you're always living on. How I miss you and I miss you all and more. All the days that pass me by so slow. All the emptiness inside me flows all around, and there's no way out. I'm just thinking so much of you. That was never any time. Let's let me now. I can't. That's right. I'm gonna give it a applause. If you say you'll be there too, I can't wait forever if you're in love. I know it's worth it all. Salamat po. Spend my life alone with you. Baka si Mayor, alam mo. Mayor, pwede po ba tayo nga kumanta? Alam ko po, alam niyo po itong song na to. And I know how hard you try. You deserve to have. Okay lang po sa chorus. So much more. I can feel your heart. Sige ba? Fight. And I'll never criticize all you ever meant to my life. I don't wanna let you down. Chorus ko. I just wanna hold you back from where you might belong.
You see why my heart is so good. I just can't live life anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry.
Salamat po, maraming salamat po. Parang makanood po natin. Marble, maraming salamat po. Okay, how about this side? Ready na po ba tayo? Hey! Hey! You could never ask me why my heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to try. Though it's gonna hurt so. There's no other way but to see you and back. Do you know the next song? Every time I see you on the reason I start our street, and then the sky singing by your eyes like a spotlight. But you know my heart is a drum and it's lost and it's looking for a woman like you. You can take the darkness from the pain of the night and turn to a big and bright and endlessly bright. I'm gonna follow it 'cause everything I know is that that's all I give it to you. Okay, sir. Sa next song, ano lang, medyo makaba. Tatawagin ko po kayo ulit. Alam mo dyan sa likod! go! Keep running. Alam niya na. Playing with those memories again. Dito tayo sa stage. And just when I thought time had set me free, those thoughts of you keep on to me. Your turn.
On my own, I've tried to miss never outdo. I've done each and every part of me has tried. Only you have made the space inside. So there's no sense pretending my heart is not melting. Just when I thought I was over you, just when I thought the book on my own. Oh baby, those memories come rushing through, and I just can't go on without you. Thank you so much po.
Thank you so much. What's your name? Denmark. Daghang salamat. Palakpakan naman po natin. Denmark. I've made a lot of values. Ditong side kaya. Ditong side. I know you could walk away, but you never do. Gusto ko yung lahat ng corner may representative. I've had a lot of cold hearts. I've learned to smile and to see. Chorus ko. I know I'm hard to be around, but you never leave. I'm not easy to understand, but you hold out your hand.
Say you love me just as I am.
You won't ever leave me the best that you can. When you say you want me, love me, baby, just as I am. Salamat po, just as I am. ba? Actually, I still have one more song. Can I sing one more song for you, Camilleños? Okay, pero bago po yan, nais ko po muna magpasalamat sa mga napaka-importanteng mga individual. Kasi kung wala po sila, kung hindi po dahil sa efforts nila, wala po kami ngayong gabi. So allow me to thank the following individuals. Siyempre, unahin ko po ang ating mahal na Mayor of Camiling, Honorable Mayor Erlon C. Agustin. Mayor, maraming salamat po. Mayor, kanta po tayo next time. Of course, with his wife, Lady Ate Joyce Agustin. Palakpakan naman po natin. Ito po, ma'am. Na-meet po namin sila dun sa taas kanina. And of course, our Vice Mayor of Camiling, Honorable Noel B. De La Cruz. Kasi po si Vice Mayor. Hello po, Vice. Siyempre, ang ating Liga ng mga Barangay President, Honorable Albert B. Jose. Maraming salamat po. Our SK Panlalawigan President, Honorable Luke Corinth P. Q. Pagarigan. Maraming salamat po. And our SK Federation Vice President and ex-official Councilor, Honorable Argel Marlu S. Garciliano. Thank you so much po. And also maraming salamat kay former Tarelco Board Director, Tito Rojas. And our SB members or Sangguniang Bayan members, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. To all our government officials, our guests, and lahat po ng mga Camilleños na nandito ngayon. Now, ang aking pong huling kanta ay napaka-espesyal kasi sabi po ng DJ natin dito, hindi daw po siya talaga tutugtog kung hindi kayo sasayaw. So, okay lang po ba kung manghingi ng konting partisipasyon mula sa inyo? Okay po? Ang hindi sumayaw, bakit? Okay, also please follow me on all my social media accounts. If you have photos and videos na kasama po ako, pwede niyo po ako itag sa Instagram, sa Facebook, pwede rin sa TikTok, at sa lahat po ng videos. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, and nais ko din po magpasalamat sa aming pinakamamahal na Tita Delia Patagi, Tito Lambert, at sa buong pamilya. Maraming salamat po sa opportunity po na ito. We love you, Tita. Maraming salamat. This is my last song. Sabayan niyo po ako. Let's dance. Hey! Come on! Maghahanap ako ng partner. Sino bang pwedeng partner dito? I feel so sad alone when my life's is feeling blue. How I wish you're here beside me. Come on! You stay my whole life through. You're the only one that leaves. Bigyan pa kami ng steps na susundan natin. Come na darling, huwag yung mahirap pa. Raise me, this is what you're gonna. Everybody now! Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real tight. Kiss me, hold me, darling, with all your might. Thank you so much. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me tight. Hirap ng step. Hold me real tight. Kiss me, hold me, darling, with all your might. Gusto ko po yung steps niya, sir. Thank you so much. Alright, how about si Tito Lambert? When I feel so sad, when my life seems fading blue, how I wish you're here beside me, here to stay my whole life through. You're the only. Thank you, Tita. Doon muna ako sa kabila. My dreams come true. Come, my darling. And how about dito sa likod? You're gonna do, come on. Kiss me, Mayor.
ng Cebu, Mariel Monteliano. Maraming salamat po. And of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our congressman of District 2, Christian. Yeah! Magandang gabi po. Upang pakitaan pa tayo ng pangmalakasang awit, isang tunay na powerhouse vocalist.
Huwag mo pansinin ang nangyayari sa'yo. Huwag mo pansinin ang nangyayari sa'yo. Huwag mo pansinin ang nangyayari sa'yo. Good evening! Hello! Huwag mo pansinin ang nangyayari sa'yo. Basta't alam mo na tama ang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong bigilin. Kung kapatulan mo, lalo ka lang aasarin. Come on, sing with me, eh? No si malasi. Sino ba sila? No si malasi. Sino ba sila? Talagang ganyan. Huwag mo lang patulan. Wala lang magawa. Kaya sila'y nakakagayan. Hello po sa ating mayor, sa ating mga officials, sa ating mga honorables. Thank you so much po. Gigibig po sa inyo lahat. Ayan, kamusta po? Kumain na po ba kayo? Busog na po ba ang lahat? Busog na! Hello po dito, kamusta po? Ayan, actually it's my first time here and thank you so much po for having us. No? Kasama ang aking partner na si Mariel. Okay na po ba kayo? Ay! Okay po ba kumanta mo ng isa pang song para sa inyo lahat? Okay na po ba? So, ngayon, ito second song ko po ay para sa lahat ng mga sabihin natin nagmamahal. Okay? So for sure, maraming in love dito tonight. Sana po isabay niyo po ako. Peace and music. Thank you. Pwede po bang makakarayan? Sino ba ba? If you know the song with me, everyone. I mean, please. Hello? Very good. beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mag-iba ating mga pagkuhan. Thank you. Away ba di natin di na nakakaya. Hello, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Hello, ha? Eto tayo. Good evening po. Ngunit babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Good evening po. Sa huli. Ano mo itong kata, sir? Pipiliin ko maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin naman ang mistake sa lahat. Tapos, sir, bawal tayo lahat. Thank you, sir. Ano, sana lang po. Hindi na. Ikaw paborito kong desisyon namin. Pag napaligid ang ilan ng buwan, di ko mapabalik ang tiwasan mo. Ulit-ulitin nga, nais kong malaman mo. Sa pagdating ng ating pinagagin ko, Diyan-diyan ako
Thank you so much.
Amoy alak ko siya. Thank you so much. Wow, magpalakpakan dyan. Ayun, maraming salamat po. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, magkakain lang po muna ako dito. Hello po sa inyo, good evening, enjoy your food po. Ano po yung iniinom natin dyan? Sige, dito tayo. Ayun, maraming salamat po once again. Okay. Ayun, salamat po. Okay, babalik na po muna ako sa stage, ha? Thank you so much. Ayun po, once again, mga... Thank you! Okay, for my... Okay. Maraming salamat po kasi for having us here. Okay lang po ba kumanta ng isa pang song para sa inyong lahat? Okay na ba? Meron ba energy? Alright! So, for my last song, no? Ayan, gusto kong kumanta din kayo sa kakantahan ko ngayon kasi for sure alam niyo ito. Please play the music! Let's go! Liwanag sa dilim.
salitang kulitin. Kampanang yayanig sa bawat nilalang magigising. Lupot ko lang sa good evening ko. Ikaw ang magsasabi, kaya mo ko. Sampan lang sa gitna ng bagyo. Isigaw mo sa hangin kung hindi ka magsilbi. Harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin. Once again. Thank you so much. At sa paghamon mo sa agos ng ating kasaysayan, uulit ka ng bagong araw. Ikaw ang aawit na kaya mo na sa panalangin sa gitna ng kulong. Isigaw mo sa langit, tumindig at magsilbing ikaw. Iwanag sa dilim, harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin. Iwanag sa dilim. Hey! What's up with it? Thank you so much, guys. I'm going to get some songs tonight. Alright. I'm singing this part. Come on, God fans. Sigaw mo sa akin, tuwing ang magsilbi. What? Harapin ko, gamitin ang bagong awitin. Iwanag! Sigaw mo sa hangin, tumitig at magsilbing ikaw. Iwanag sa dilim, harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin. Liwanag sa dilim. Liwanag sa dilim. Thank you so much. Ayan, nagustuhan niyo mo ba yun? Alright, so ayun na nga po nasin sa... What? Do it! Ayun na nga, since kasama ko po ang aking partner tonight. Ayan po, so, tatawagin ko lang po ang aking partner. So, para po sa inyo lahat, since, yun, nag-request po ng Do It song. Yan. For our last song with my partner Mariel Monteliano, palakpakan naman po natin. Yes, let's go!
Palakpakan po natin once again, Joy Abdulacena! Okay.
Alright. Hi, Ma.
So,
Okay, Miss Mariel Monteliano, everyone. Ready na ba kayo? Ready na ba kayo? Okay, so yung kakantahin po namin tonight ay isang sabihin natin yung pangmalakatan. Pangmalakasista. Galing tayo sa tawag na tanghalan. Ayan po, so hopefully magustuhan po ninyo ito at pinatap namin ito sa nung grand finals. Ayan. So, let's go! Let's sing! Play music, please.
Ang Pop Pristine ng Cebu at ang powerhouse vocalist ng Davao mula sa entablado ng Tawag ng Tanghalan, Mariel Montiliano and JM De La Serna.
Wow, what a performance! I'm sure everyone's feeling the beat right now. Once again, thank you to JM De La Serna and Mariel Montiliano.
Ayan. Okay, gising pa ba ang kamiling? Okay, parang mataas-taas pa ang energy natin. To give us a message, tawagin po natin dito sa stage ang ating Tito Rojas.